Whoa, you dare invade my blocky world? Prepare to be pixelated.
Your primitive cubes are no match for my cosmic power.
What are you? Some kind of new creeper?
Your primitive blocks are no match for my advanced technology.
Who are you?
I'm Steve.
What in the name of the Lord are you? Wait a minute. What kind of a demon are you?
Actually, I'm a pixel. I think in the environment is
Jesus Christ.
Our world is not like this.
You're a zombie.
Oh.
Don't come close near me.
Well, I'm not a demon. Actually, I'm not a demon. So, no, not a zombie also. But we do have zombies there, and they are very, very dangerous.